Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. I've been getting a lot of messages regarding what's good about that Webull app. I don't want to be the one to boast the app and tell you that it's like the #1 app that you should have for investing, because it's not. It's good for my investing needs, but it's not for others. There's people who need a bunch of indicators to find trades, and there's people who just simply want to buy and hold, and that's it. I'm sort of in between. Plus, it satisfies all my basic wants, so I can't complain. This is mainly for new users who want to get a feel for the app. So let me give you my Webull review and the entire Webull app features that they have to offer, just in case you don't want to download the app and fund your account. But if you do, you get 2 free stocks, it's free money, timestamps are linked below. So let's open up the Webull app. So right now I have an active account, and if you have a free account, you might not see all the functions here, because if you have a free account, it's limited to a lot of other features that an active account has. Plus it's free to open, so feel free to open an account and follow if you like. So what I want to do in this video is that go from each icon and explain what's in each of the icons. So I'm going to go from left to right, from watch list to menu right over here. So in the watch list, let's say you want to add a company that you want to watch, Coca-Cola for example. Click on the magnifying glass right over here. Type in ticker symbol KO. I'll bring it up, Coca-Cola right over here. And you want to click on the add right over here. And it's been added. Click cancel and it'll bring you up back here. And you have Coca-Cola right now currently trading at $43.91. So what's unique about this is that some of the ticker symbol has this blue box here like Verizon. If you were to click on it, it'll give you the news of the company. So right now currently this is where you find the news right over here. Little idea to see what's going on within the company. So yeah, so if you click on back out, and for those who don't like ALEC, if you click on it, it doesn't have the news because there's nothing going on right now currently. So that's pretty unique if you didn't know what the box is. And let's go from here. Let's check out this menu section right over here. So I'm going to click on this one, the 3 lines right over here. You have your position that you want to watch, and then you have your watch list. So currently I'm have it on check on my watch list. So if you click here on manage, basically you can see which stocks you can see the all stocks or my position. Currently I have these on, and if you want to edit, you just click on this and just edit your watch list. And currency, currently I have set it on USD because I'm in the United States, so I have that set up. So I'm going to back it out, and that's it for this side. And I'm going to go on this side where you can see the 3 dots right over here. Click on this. Not a lot of people know about this, but there's a simulated holdings. Basically it's like paper trade, but not like paper trade, because this is super controlled. You can basically do whatever you want with the stock. So currently right now, if you click on here, if you just click on this my watch list and click on it, basically you could change anything on this account. And this is all fake money. This is all simulated. And if you click on add here, you could add cash. So currently I added cash before. I have 1K. So if I click on edit simulated cash, click on here, I could basically add whatever I want. I could add $10,000 to it and then save, and it added $10,000 to it. So now currently I have 11K. And again, if I could do this over again. I could add my holdings. So if I wanted to buy, let's say Verizon, click on Verizon. I could buy quantity. I could just buy 1, 10, or 10,000. I could just put it there to 1, and then save. And it's been added. And let's go back here. So currently right now, if I scroll down, I have Verizon right here and Tesla right here, and also tells me like the profits and loss I have right over here. So basically this will force the system to like buy the stocks, and you're not gonna have to wait it for it to be filled. You just buy it on that amount of price that you're willing to pay for it. So this is pretty unique, and obviously you can see how it grows and whatnot for their accounts. And I'm gonna back it out, click the 3 dots again, and then you could change your watch list settings. So currently I have it on a symbol and the name, and you could have the price to be displayed whatever you want. And then the colors, I like it green going up, red going down, or if you want to be a little bit unique, you can have red going up and then green going down. But I like it as is here. So that's the watch list settings. Back it out here, and then let's see if the three dots, and then you could edit your list. So basically change whoever wants to be on top. So if you want Exxon Mobil to be on top, all you have to do is just click on this arrow and it'll just shoot you all the way up the top, or you could just move it right here by holding the three bars and then just drag it. So Pfizer could be the second place if you want. So that's that, and then you could delete, move, or select all. So, and that's pretty much it on this watch list. Again, you could add a symbol right here or just add it during your watch list. So now I'm going to move on to market. So the market right over here, this icon right here. So the market, you have your basics, the United States market, all your indexes here, or your major index are here, the Dow Jones, S&P 500, and NASDAQ right over here. And then you have your advance and decline distribution here, net flow right over here. You have your most active stocks right now. Right now, NIO Inc. is at trading through transactions around like 310 million in terms of volume. And then you have your top gainers right over here. Go pre-market, aftermarket, 5 minutes, and it all changes here. It's pretty cool if you like that. You have your top losers, again, same setup right over here, but for losers. And then you have your hot ETFs. And these are the common ones: Dow Jones, S&P, and the NASDAQ. If you scroll a little bit down, you have your best performing industries. So you could go by 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, and 3 months. Basically, this is useful if you want to buy a stock in one of these industries to see if it's growing or not performing well. And again, you could change this by moving up the arrow. So if you click on this, the performing industry will shoot all the way up here. And then so next time when you click on it, you'll see the performing industries here. But next thing you want to look at is cryptocurrencies. So right now, Bitcoin is the most popular one, most stable one. And then you have your bunch of other cryptocurrency that's listed on here. Not all of them are listed on here, but the majority of the big ones are. And you can see that if you want. So it's Bitcoin. You can track it like usual. You have your news, you have your comments here. So pretty straightforward on this one. I'll back it out here, and then you have your global. So basically all of the indexes here worldwide. And then you have your Forex right down over here. Interesting if you want to look at Forex currency and do some Forex trading. Your hot futures are also right over here. And that's pretty much on the global. I don't pay too much attention on the globals. And then you could change it up, and you could add Canada if you want. And that's, by the way, it's right over here, this 3-line bar to reach this market area. You can add which one you want to see, and that's pretty much it for this one. And then what I want to go next is to explore. So you have your basic explore list right over here, and this is by the sectors. Let's click on view all right here. I'll give you a quick breakdown of this. So you have your gaming sector. So this, if you click on here, it'll tell you some of the gaming companies that you could invest in or start buying in if you believe that the gaming sector on here is going to grow. So you have your common ones, Activision. These are the two that I really know, Activision and Zynga. But other ones I don't know too much about. So if I go back, and then you have your obviously e-commerce and the auctions services, same thing. You have to give you a list of the companies here. And you can follow it too if you like. And then that's pretty much it for the Explorer list. If I back it up, you have your screeners. So this one is, you have your quick screener, has 5 filters. It doesn't show you much about the filters. So if I click quick screeners, it doesn't show you which filter they have. So let's get, oh yeah. Basically the price, percent change, the market cap, and volume. That's only 4 screener. I'm not sure which one else they have right up here. Probably one of the index setup. But if you want, you have your high dividend yield pink stocks, your high market values US stocks, or you could create your own screeners. And if you watch my other videos, I have one explaining the screener on the desktop version. I like the desktop version better than this. So, but just in case, if you don't know where to find a screener, this is where you find your mobile screener. So on the screener, you could choose your market. You could use the United States exchange, or right here over here, exchange, NASDAQ, New York's American exchange. And then you have your sectors. You could do energy, renewable energy, and then use chemicals, retailers, and such. You could do that. And then quotes, indicators, market cap, price, your typical stock screener. Financial indicators, this is it. Technical indicators, this is it as well. And this is pretty much basics. And then back it out, scroll down, and then you have your IPOs. So basically this is where you're gonna find your offerings, and then your field, and then your listed IPOs. You view all of them here on this list. I don't watch much on this IPO list, so I don't bother with that. And then you have your calendar. This is where it's a little bit interesting. So earnings, you can see earning reports here. It'll show you everything. You can view all of it if you like. And then let's see, dividends. Dividends. This is where I kind of use this because it shows you where you could get your ex dividends. So before you buy, if you buy a stock before the ex dividend date, you will get your dividends. So in the ex dividend, I checked. So today is July. And today is the month of July. So in the month of July, you can scroll all the way down. This is the ex dividend date. So if you buy before the ex dividend date, you'll get your dividend stocks, and they show you the let's see, this is the where is the payout? Okay, so this is the payout date, and then this is the price, and the market cap is here. Where's the dividend? Okay, dividend per share. Oh, I don't know. Oops, dividend per share. So basically, how much they're paying you for the dividend. So if you buy one share of it, so let's, for example, HRL. So dividend per share is 23 cents per share. So HRL right over here has a last price right here, 47 cents or $47. So if you were to buy one share of that, you get paid this much. So, and again, this is pretty unique if you want to buy some dividend stocks and you want your immediate dividend payout. So if you buy it before this date, the ex-dividend date, you'll get the dividend payout, and it gives you a bunch of companies within July, August, and so forth. So if you just keep on scrolling, you'll find a list of them. And then I'll back this out right over here. And then you have your splits again, your stock splits. So this one right now, there's only one currently, or is there more? There's currently one, 10 to 1, 10 for 1. If you scroll down, you have your 52-week highs and lows. So right now, do you see all of this? You have your near high, new highs, and then near low. And then you have your high dividend stocks right over here. And these high dividend stocks, be very, very careful. Actually, don't even bother investing in these penny stocks. I'm pretty sure these are penny stocks. If you were to click on this, because dividend yield is 174%, there's no way that you're gonna make money off of this. So look at this. If you click on here, obviously penny stocks, 33 cents. Any of these high yielding dividend stocks, they are bound to lose money most of the time. So if you click on yearly report, or actually monthly, so like their stock prices are just dropping and plummeting. So if I were to click on CBL, these are again dividend, these are penny stocks, 25 cents a share. So be very careful. Don't invest too much in penny stocks if you don't feel like the company's gonna grow or anything like that. I advise you to just stay away from penny stocks because you're not gonna get any money back. So dividend yield, it's high, but you're gonna lose all your money. And then scroll down, you have your earnings surprises. So companies' earnings surprises here reported. Your hot stocks on Webull. So so basically your big companies, basically, most likely. And that's pretty much it for the Explore list. I think I hit all the major points here. So let's go back on the market and check this out. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then now the one that, so we're gonna move on to my actual portfolio, and this is gonna be here. this middle icon right here. So if I click on here, you'll see my actual account, and I have my individual account and my Roth IRA account. So if I click on here, you'll see both of my accounts. So currently I'm looking at my individual account, and it has $10,675.36, and this is live. And if I were to scroll down, you see your basic reports, your market value, the cash balance, my buying power, basically how much I could spend and to buy on stocks. Cash settle, it's almost the same thing as this. And then the unsettled cash. And if I scroll down here, you see my quick trade. So if I click on quick trade, I can make a trade here. So if I were to buy Tesla, I should just put TLSA and then click on Tesla, and then I could do my quick trade over here and just buy stock. But I'll show you later on how to like sell one to right here, performance. If I click on performance, it'll show me my entire performance, 5 days, 1 month, or 6 months, 3 months, year to date, or 1 year, or all. If I click on all, it shows me my entire account. On here on my individual account, I've lost $31.13, which is not bad. It's knowing that I have a $10,000 account, but not to mean that I don't want to profit or anything like that. But if I were to scroll down, also one thing, I don't trade much on this account since I haven't found a good opportunity yet. So I just keep it on the sideline. Most of the stuff I do is on my Roth IRA accounts. And if you keep on watching my videos, you'll see what I buy and what I sell on my Roth IRA. And I'll keep you up to date. So currently right now, it's $32 loss right now. Dividends, this is where you find your dividends. So if you're not too sure where to find your dividends, this is where it is. So if you click on performance right over here and click on dividends right over here, you see how much you made from your dividends. So my last dividend was paid out with AT&T on May 1st, and it's $1.04. And the reason why is because I only have 2 shares in my individual accounts. And then you have your fees and stuff like that, your stocks, profits and loss. Currently, all of them were down except for Snapchat. But currently, I only have a couple of stocks lingering around, but I don't care too much for them. So if I scroll down, you'll see your profits and loss. These are just basically comparisons and stuff like that. More data for you to analyze. So, and if you want, you could click on this arrow right here, which is the share arrow. So if you click on that, it takes you to this. You can share it to the Webull community or just share it to other places. So right now you can see all that. So I'm gonna exit that, back this one out, and then continue on. So deposit, basically straightforward, deposit your money into this account, and then you have your more. I'm gonna click on here. Basically you have your trades, you have your account information right here. That's how you customize it or edit any details on the accounts. You have your bank information, and you have your tools right up here. So this is pretty much straightforward. I'm not gonna walk you all of these icons because if you need help, you just click on it and do your transaction, because I have a lot of personal information on here too as well. So back it out. So, and this is the position that I currently have. So Levi's, I have 3 shares, RF 14 shares, and AT&T 2 shares. And currently they're all down because right now the stock market is not performing so well, and I don't plan to hold too much of these shares, so I might just sell it on later in the future. And let's see, that's pretty much it. And then you have your message center. So if I click on here, you see all the messages that Webull gives out, and you have your question mark. If you have any questions, just click on this. It'll bring you up to a help center, and you can get information there, or you can contact customer service. And customer service, they respond pretty quick. I believe last time I reached out, they respond within I think one day, within 1 day, which is pretty quick. And depends on if a lot of people contact them, they're going to be a little bit slow, but I've seen on average a day or 2 at most when you reach out via email and stuff like that. It gives you FAQs, stuff like that, basic information if you need help with that. Back it out, and that's pretty much it in terms of this account. If you have any questions about this, just let me know in the comments section. And then the next thing I want to show you is the community. So community. So this is the area where you're gonna see a lot of people posting like random stuff about their stocks and stuff like that, questions and stuff like that. You can feel free to browse around. You could check out what they're talking about. You could chime in for any of the topics that you're interested in, and it's basically straightforward. You could browse around here. And then there's the competitions, and this is the Webull paper trading competition. And right now I'm going to show you my not so good performance. I'm ranked 1,764 because I have a 3% loss in total. So from this competition, it's currently closed right now, but what I know that if you were to be up in terms of profiting at least a percent, or like just like, you know, profit in general, you get an Amazon gift card that's a couple cents. But this is if you ever profit. So if you're ever negative, you're not going to get anything. You just, yeah, this is a really good paper trading platform that they have, because you actually get something and you have nothing to risk, and it's for you to test out your skills and see if you can actually, you know, perform well in your investments, which I find that it's pretty unique. And I'm not too sure when they're gonna announce another competition. So, and then you have your top news, basically what's going on in the market today. You can scroll down, you can check this out. And you have your watch list, and this is the news from your watch list that you currently saved at. So ExxonMobil, Tesla, and Walgreens that I currently saved, and this is the news from your watch list. Go back it out here, stream. And that's pretty much it for the community section. Let's scroll down. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the community section. And then let's go on to menus. So currently in the menu, you have your promotion center. So the help center is basically what I explained earlier. Your message center is the same thing. What I explained, this basically the Webull sends you out messages every time you buy and sell the stock. They give you like a statement. And then there's a setting goes on your account information stuff. So very basic. And you have a promotion center. What I want to talk about is that every month or so, they seem to have a promotion that's going on to like get you to either put more money in the stock, get you inviting more friends and stuff like that to get some free stocks. And then you have your transfer account to Webull. So basically you get bonuses for that too. Option trading, you get bonuses for that. Advanced quotes and stuff like that. You get bonuses for subscribing to their services. So like they have a bunch of other stuff here, but I don't do much with the advanced quotes and stuff like that. So what I do is like deposit bonus. Let me give you a quick idea of how this runs out. So make a deposit and get a free stock. So like oftentimes they have these deposit bonus. So make your initial deposit of $100 or more within 30 days of signing up and receive a free stock value between $12 and $1,400. Once your deposit settled, you'll be able to claim your free stock. So basically, if you're super new here and you don't want to invest much, the Webull is like bribing you to, like, you know, put some more money into the account and see if you like the system and trade. So basically, if you put $100 in, you'll get $12 out. So that if you were to make a percentage of this, that's like 12% return guaranteed, because if you put in $100, you get at least $12 back, and you could get a stock that's obviously up to 1,400, which is a really good deal. So at the end of the day, you don't have to trade if you don't want to trade. You just get your free stock and then withdraw your money out. But there is a time limit. You have to have your money account. You can't just put your money in there and then grab it out. So you can read the rules and stuff like that. I think it's like 30 days or 2 or 60 days that you have to put it into your account and not touch your money and not withdraw your money. So there's a rule, but at the same time, hey, it's a free stock. And I'm planning to use this later on. So, you know what? I'll just go ahead and deposit and show you. So get stock, or get started. So I'm gonna deposit $100 into this account and then hit transfer to Webull. Let's see. So each deposit may take up 5 business days to complete. Make sure to maintain a sufficient. Okay, so it takes 5 business days. I'll click on this, confirm. show you all this. It will be processed during the next business day. Once your request has been processed, you'll be credited, and then that's pretty much it. So that's the promotion. So I just have to wait, and then I'll get my free stock. So once you get your free stocks, once you get notification of that, you click on my free stock, and this is from the menu section right over here. Click on it, my free stock, and how you get it is just basically click on get. So currently I have 8 right now. So click on get, and I got a stock PEB. I don't know what that is. So $11. So this is it. And so if you read this, it takes approximately 10 trading days. You can find details. So it takes 10 trading days for it to settle on my account. So okay, I'm happy about that. I got $11 just like that. And then do another get. Let's see what I get. PEB. Huh. Another $11. Gonna get PEB again. Huh. And then I'm gonna get the American Airlines stock that I finally know. $11.18. And then do another PEB. Interesting. American Airlines, this is above, all of them were above $10 so far, which is good. Okay, this is below $10. The RF, and then I think have another one, RF, another one. So basically that's pretty much it. This is how you get your free stocks, and then all of these stocks will take 10 business days to settle in your accounts, or 10 trading dates, I mean. So, and you have your deposit bonus, your invitation bonus, and then you have your guidelines or the rules and stuff like that for your bonus and how it's going to be transferred and settled. And you can check that out if you like. So I'm gonna back it out. And then the next thing is the alerts. So in this alert section, I currently have nothing actually. So I have nothing set up, so you can set something up. So for the alerts, but I have nothing. Right here, you can customize it. Alert setting is right over here. So I'm back it out. So my posts. So right now, currently, this is where you could accumulate points and stuff like that. So the points you get from posting is basically chances to win gifts from Webull. So they offer gifts and stuff like that. If you could have chances to win, I think there's one that's like $300 or so. So, but every so often they throw out rewards for you if you have chances to win. But I don't do much of that because Webull has a lot of people on the platform, and a lot of people be like posting stuff just to get the points. So if you were to have an account, an active account, it's $100, 100 points that they give you, and then for every post, I think it's like 2 points or 1 point. But I'm not too sure since I'm not really active on this posting platform that they have. So in the trade reviews and stuff like that post, I just posted this one. So I want to back it out here. So favorites. Currently have no favorites added. Basically it's the articles that you save, you can just go back and read. I have nothing added for that. Calendar is right over here. This is pretty cool and unique. So calendar, they have all the stocks that you're watching and all the stocks that currently is going to be announcing any X dividends that they have, and then you have your economic data here as well. And then you can see tomorrow's calendar, so earnings for tomorrow's ex-dividend date is the last day for tomorrow. And then you have your IPOs, economic data, go for next week, and then, or this week and then next week. And then if you click on the funnel, you could do it by category or by region as well. So get the idea of that. So I'm gonna back it out here, and then paper trading. Okay, so this is the part where I was gonna talk about for you so you get an idea of how this paper trading works. So if you click on reset right here, you can basically change the amount that you want on this paper trading platform. So currently right now I'm at 10 million. So if I wanted to be go over 10 million, I can. I just have to type in the number. You could have it, I think the max is like 99 million. That's it, $99,999, I believe. But you could, if you want to be realistic, you could do $1,000 or $10,000 to trade and see if you can actually grow your portfolio. But I'm gonna leave it as is. Right now, currently, I have quick trade. So quick trade right here, you have your typical quick trade. You You have your order, you have your performance, and you have your contest. Contest is the paper trading contest that I mentioned. So quick trade, if you were to want to trade Coca-Cola or something like that, you just click on Coca-Cola and then paper trade. Right now, there's the only con about this is that you have to paper trade during the trading hours. You can't do pre-market or after-market. So you have to wake up in time, or if you have to trade during the days basically for paper trade. So back it out here, click cancel, and then my position. So currently I shorted Nikola, so shorted Nikola right here. That's why there's a negative 1,000. I shorted Groupon. That's why there's a negative 1,000. So that's how you could do. You could buy and sell. So right now, currently, I'm all up for these stocks because the market is doing really bad. So if I were to make this in my actual account, that's really good. But right now, it's pretty bad. It's the market itself. So, and then you have your orders right over here. So that's paper trading. It's really fun to use if you're just getting started, and it's basically free, and you don't risk anything at all for this. So back it out. You have your advanced quotes. Basically, you can subscribe to these, but this is more for people who are more advanced than this. So if you're starting out, you probably don't need all this. You just want to test out the market, go with paper trade. And then you have your learning center. In the learning center, you have your typical quotes right over here. You have your the introductions, and you have your functions, and you can just read more about it in the learning center. And that's pretty much it on this account. Overall, what you see on the app is basically what you'll get. The pros of the apps are based off of my personal experience. That is, you get 2 free stocks if you sign up. Link is in the description. From time to time, they'll offer you bonuses like free stocks or competitions to get you to use the app more. They have option trading, no fees on the trades, no minimum balance, and they have a good amount of research tool. They also have a desktop version that is pretty useful, but that's in my opinion. The cons about the Webull app is that it doesn't offer crypto trading yet, nor does it offer fractional shares yet. Also, it doesn't have dividend reinvestment plan yet, and the reason why I say yet is because they said that they'll offer it in the future, but I don't know when in the future. We'll have to see and wait. Customer service is not the best. I'll put it in the con section because it does take some time for them to get back to you. So for the beginners here, I hope you found this somewhat intuitive. If so, feel free to give it a like and maybe consider subscribing for future updates on what I'll be investing in. I'll catch y'all later.